Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to compare two amazing cameras that have been quite popular in the market, the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the features and capabilities of these two fantastic cameras. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality, but there is a slight edge to the Fujifilm X-T5. With its class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, it captures stunningly detailed images, even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha a6400's 20.1 MP stacked back illuminated 1x RS CMOS sensor delivers impressive image quality with clear natural colors. When it comes to functionality and design, both cameras have their own strengths. The Sony Alpha a6400 offers a tiltable LCD screen that can be customized for vlogging, still photography, or recording professional films. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X series design with dials that allow quick and easy access to key functions like ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. The Sony Alpha a6400 impresses with its wide 425-phase, 425 contrast detection points, covering over 84% of the sensor, ensuring enhanced subject capture. It also offers fast and accurate continuous shooting at up to 11 FPS, allowing you to capture every moment with crisp and clear natural colors. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 provides powerful image-making performance and features, handling action with ease thanks to its improved image processing algorithm and in-body image stabilization. And that's a wrap. Both the Sony Alpha a6400 and Fujifilm X-T5 offer exceptional capabilities and are undoubtedly great choices. Which one is better for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope you found this comparison helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Till next time, happy shooting!